Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Andrew. Today I'm driving to Sebring to go to a gun show. I'm here with a friend of mine, Oscar. Never really actively looking to buy guns, but when there's a deal popping up, you know, sometimes you want to take advantage of it. You want to take it. There's some things about gun shows that people don't know, people don't understand, and I'm gonna try and talk to you guys about it today and try to figure out some things on my own, because I'm still learning as well. As you guys know, Sebring ain't close, so we're on the road right now trying to make it up there. I just want to talk about one thing too, is you know, the rise in gun sales and the rise in sales of ammo for guns and everything is just it's a kick in the pants to people who normally shoot guns, people who are always buying, selling guns, and honestly it's a little bit worrisome, because brand new gun owners out there constantly make mistakes, and that's something most people want to try to get rid of. And with the coronavirus and all these new gun owners, I just want to get some content out there that may help or may not help, and I don't know, just try to help some people out who are new gun owners. Also, everyone, be on the lookout for my my sister's business. It's actually called My Sisters Custom Designs. Huge shout out to them. They've been doing a lot of work for me recently. I got some cups made, I got some t-shirts made, and I'm getting some picture frames made, all custom. If you don't know exactly what you want, she's real good at just letting you know what's available, and give you some kind of cool ideas. Really great business. Please be on the lookout for them. And without further ado, let's go see some guns. I love that, man.
We gonna show it to friends?
Yeah. Yeah, basically.
I mean, I guarantee you nobody else has it.
Probably not.
What else you gonna show them?
We went to a gun show in Orlando. I don't think they had it over there.
Which gun?
Orlando.
Oh, yeah. Wait, yesterday?
No, it was like maybe like 2 months ago.
Yeah,
oh, okay.
Yeah,
I think they have it 6 or 7 times a year, and it's going on this weekend.
Oh, really?
Is it really?
Look on Florida gun shows, and you'll see that.
Building right now that has my stuff on their table.
Oh, really?
So when you're walking around, you'll see some other custom pieces.
You'll
know that those are mine.
Does he give you shout outs too? Like hey,
they'll tell you.
They know.
JR is our builder.
Anderson.
Yeah, that's the only lowers I can get right now is Anderson. Normally I use Aero Precision, but Anderson makes 85% of the lowers on the market out there. They make them for Colt, they make them for BPMS, they make them for Smith & Wesson. They just send them to those companies blank, and then those companies put their information on it and go, all right, now it's worth 5 times as much, because now it says Smith & Wesson.
Got him. Oh my gosh. That is so cool.
You could have got this one too, 1500.
This is crazy. I gotta get on to Eric for that one right there. That.
You should always check your local guys. I mean, I think I'm the only gunsmith
We
in
told him to go
County
to.
as well.
We went to a gun show in Orlando. He ain't like nothing there, but the gun that he ended up getting is almost the same thing we seen in Orlando, but more expensive.
guys, we just left the gun show. It was kind of cool. It wasn't as big as we thought it was gonna be, but it was still a pretty good size. We have a lot of smaller ones that show up in like Winter Haven and Bartow at the National Guard armories, but for the most part this one was pretty decent size, and we got to see a lot of good stuff. One or two things to note first about gun shows is that they're gonna charge you an entrance fee. So when you go in, expect to pay, you know, somewhere between $10, $15, something like that. And then they're not only gonna sell guns. A lot of stuff we've seen in there today. We've seen a bunch of knives, we've seen some holsters, some magazines, you know, gun parts, and conversion kits. We've seen bolt action rifles that from the 1800s and stuff like that. I bought a shirt. They got clothes, they got you name it, almost, actually, don't name it. But I'm gonna ask Oscar right now what was his favorite part. So Oscar, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was looking at guns from the 1800 all the way up to the custom ARs.
Oh yeah, that's right. We did run into a guy who fully customizes his ARs, and there's gonna be some video and some footage on that. They were beautiful, amazing guns. Man, you just gotta see it for yourself. It's really cool. There's also a couple of other things you want to keep note of. Obviously, they're professionals. They're gonna keep everything safe there. So all the guns are gonna be unloaded. They have security. They make sure you check in any weapons that you're gonna bring in to sell or trade, because you also can do that. Buy, sell, and trade guns at gun shows. So basically, to wrap everything up and kind of give you like a overall, you know, view of the subject, basically just make sure you look around. If you're gonna buy a gun, look around. Visit every gun store. Go to every possible gun show you can make it to before you make a decision, because a lot of people are gonna spend their money and buy this outrageously priced gun and then go to a gun show next week or whenever, and then find the same gun for $200-300 cheaper, when if you get more options, you can basically, you know, price range and stuff like that, and actually get the gun that you want for the price that you want. So just, you know, keep your options open and look as much as possible before you buy your gun. That's gonna wrap up my video for today, and thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and learn how to pew pew.
Ha 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 ha!